Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Bilt credit card and Venmo. We'll dive into how these two platforms can work together, especially for rent payments. It's important to know the specifics to maximize your rewards and avoid any surprises. We'll cover the process, potential benefits, and crucial details you should consider before linking your Bilt card to Venmo for transactions. This information will help you make informed decisions. One major benefit is earning Bilt points on rent payments made through Venmo. With Bilt Protect, your rent payment is debited directly from your bank account, avoiding credit card processing fees. This allows you to earn 1 point per dollar on rent, up to 100,000 points each year, without using your credit line. Plus, some Venmo transactions can help you meet the 5 monthly transactions needed to earn points. While beneficial, there are important considerations. Venmo typically charges a 3% fee when using a credit card for payments to personal accounts. To avoid this, you must use the Bilt Protect feature, which pulls funds directly from your linked bank account. Always confirm your payments are correctly processed to ensure you earn your valuable Bilt Rewards points. Missteps can lead to unexpected fees or missed rewards. To maximize your Bilt rewards with Venmo, always activate Bilt Protect for rent payments. This ensures you earn points without incurring the 3% Venmo credit card fee. Double-check that your Bilt card is properly linked and that transactions qualify for points. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.